how to set the haptic touch duration to fast or slow, to review content previews, actions, and contextual menus on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down. And in here, tap on Accessibility. Then swipe up to go down and tap on Touch. Next, tap on Haptic Touch. In here, you have two options. Either choose fast or slow. In here is a test panel, so you can touch an image and you can test it out. This is fast, so you can see when I touch and hold on the image, it will show me a preview of the image. And if you choose slow, you can see it is slightly slower, maybe around half a second slower, to have a preview of the image, or to on some items it will open up the contextual menus. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key at the top to go back to Settings, or swipe up at the bottom to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.